Picture this, a dorm common at midnight. A circle of new friends, a bottle of soda, and that first forbidden question whispered like a secret. What's up with breasts? And what is love juice? Anyway, I lean in, grin, and say, let's treat our curiosity like a science experiment. Quick, fun, and safe. Ready? First, breasts. They are not just decoration. Inside each breast are glands, tiny ducts, fat, and lots of blood vessels and nerve. The nipple and areola are packed with sensitive nerve endings. Function 1, milk for babies. Function 2, sensation that can be part of adult pleasure. They change with your cycle, your hormones, pregnancy, breastfeeding, and even mood and temper. No two are the same. Want a brain bender? Breasts are mostly fat and connective tissue. Their shape is personal and cultural. Health check. Learn to feel your own chest. A new lump, persistent pain, or unusual discharge. See a clinician. Mammograms and self-awareness save lives. Also, people can experience strong sexual response from breast or nipple stimulation. This varies a lot, and that's perfectly normal. Now, about love juice, the friendly word for natural lubricant. When someone is aroused or warm and relaxed, blood flow to the genital area increases. Vaginal walls secrete fluid by two main routes: glandular secretions and transudation, a kind of seepage from the vessel-rich lung. There's also normal vaginal discharge that changes across the menstrual cycle. That's not the same as arousal fluid. Lubrication reduces friction and makes physical intimacy more comfortable. What affects it? Hormones like estrogen, hydration, certain medicines, alcohol, stress, and age. Menopause often brings dryness. Some antidepressants can too. Practical, non-salacious tips. Use water or silicone-based personal lubricants if you need extra glide. Don't mix oil-based products with latex barriers. Communicate with your partner or partners about comfort. If fluid has a strong smell, unusual color, or causes itch, you get checked. Some infections need treatment. Here's the surprising link. The brain is the biggest sexual organ. Context, safety, and consent turn biological responses into pleasurable experiences. Pleasure is personal. Talk openly. Ask for what you like, and stop when someone is not comfortable. Explore science. Read peer-reviewed articles. Visit the campus health center. Take a sexology elective. Curiosity is healthy. Celebrate the facts. Demystify the myths. And keep asking smart questions. Your body and your future partners will think.